Chana Pakoda. One cup soaked chana for 5 to 6 hours. Half cup chopped spring onion. Ten to 12 garlic clove. 1 chopped onion. 4 slitted green chilies. Few chopped curry leaves. Salt as per taste. Quarter tsp of baking soda. Take a jar. Add soaked chana. Add green chilies. Add garlic cloves. Grind coarse. Transfer the batter in a mixing bowl. Add chopped curry leaves. Add chopped onion. Add chopped spring onion. Add salt. Add baking soda. Mix all the ingredients well. Pakoda batter is ready. Time to fry pakoda. Fry pakoda on medium flame. Flip on the other side when they turn into golden brown. At this point, remove pakoda in a plate. Crispy and tasty chana pakodas are ready. Enjoy crispy chana pakodas with ketchup. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.